Summarising data. Measures of central tendency. Now look at the word central tendency. These two words mean something. Central means in the middle, and tendency is if it's got a habit of being like that. So we want to find the numbers that is central or more or less central. We're going to look at median, mode, and mean. If you get a set of numbers like this, and you are requested to find the central tendency or the means of central tendency, you know you've got to go find the median, the mode, and the mean. Sometimes I can ask you find the mean, or find the mode, or find the median, or for all three of them. The first thing you always do before you even look at the question like this is you go and arrange these numbers in numerical order, starting with the smallest. You'll be very careful when you do it, not to exclude anything. So you'll go and count how many numbers you started with, and then you count that you've got all of them here. And I would suggest, as you write 15 now down, you will draw a line through 15 just to show yourself you've done 15. And now you'll draw a line through 19 to show you've done 19. Then 24, it's done. Then 28, it's done. Then 34, done. 37, done. But there's another one, 37, and there is 2 in my new line. Then 73, then 80, and then 84. Then you can rest assured you've got all your numbers. Now we'll start off with finding the median. Median. Now median is the number that is in the middle of this set of data. With other words, not the middle value, but the number that is lying in the middle. So you want something here somewhere. How do you find this? You count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Middle of 10 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I use this one, look why it will be wrong. There's 4 values less than it and 5 values more. So obviously number 5 and 6 has the same numbers higher, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same numbers lower, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the middle number, and here you've got 2 middle numbers. So what you do is you write down 34 and you add the other one to it, 37. And this 2 you divide by 2. This you'll find is 71 over 2. So your median here is 35 and a half. So here in between these two, yeah, at 35 and a half is the middle. The next one you can be asked to find is mode. Mode is simply the one that you find all the sets you find that's the most. So if there is 2 numbers that appear 3 times, both of them are the mode. In this set, there's only one number that appears more than once, and that is 37. So 37 will be the mode. The mean is the average. What you do is you add all these numbers and then you divide them by the number of numbers there is. And if you now go and you add 15 plus 19 plus 24 plus 28 plus 34 plus 37 plus 37 plus 73 plus 80 plus 84, you'll find that the number you get to is 431. You take this and you divide it by the number of numbers in here, and we've now added it previously. There is 10 numbers. So you divide it by 10, and that will give you a mean of 43,1. The next thing we work is the measures of dispersion. Now the measures of dispersion we worked with in grade 9 is called the range. The range. Now range means they want to know how this data is spread. And if you take that same numbers we've just worked with, it's arranged from smallest to biggest. With range, you take your max value minus your minimum value, and that is your range. So let's do it with this one. The maximum value is 84 minus 15, so my range here will be 69. So this number set is ranging between 15 and 84, and that gives me a range of 69.